Scratch is a programming language and graphical interface developed by the Lifelong Kindergarten Group at the MIT Media Lab. It is designed to introduce children and beginners to programming concepts in a fun and interactive way. Scratch allows users to create their own interactive stories, animations, games, and more by using visual blocks that represent code snippets. The main features and uses of Scratch include 1. Visual programming. Scratch uses a block-based programming approach, where users drag and snap visual blocks together to create scripts. This visual representation of code makes it easier for beginners to understand and manipulate programming concepts. 2. Creativity and expression. Scratch encourages creativity by allowing users to create their own interactive projects from scratch. Users can design characters, backgrounds, and sound effects, and program them to interact with each other. 3. Interactive projects. With Scratch, users can create interactive stories, games, and animations. They can control characters, add motion, create dialogue, and incorporate user input, making their projects engaging and interactive. 4. Sharing and collaboration. Scratch has an online community where users can share their projects, get feedback, and collaborate with others. Users can upload their projects to the Scratch website, allowing others to play and remix them. 5. Learning programming concepts. Scratch provides a playful and intuitive environment for learning programming concepts such as loops, conditionals, variables, and events. Users can experiment with these concepts in a visual and hands-on way. 6. Educational tool. Scratch is widely used in schools and educational settings as a tool for teaching coding and computational thinking. It helps students develop problem-solving skills, logical thinking, and creativity while engaging in fun and interactive projects. 7. Transition to text-based programming. While Scratch primarily uses visual blocks, it also provides a bridge to text-based programming. As users gain more experience and confidence, they can transition to programming languages like Python or JavaScript. Thank you for viewing. Remember to show your support by liking, subscribing, and sharing the channel.